Paris, France, known as the City of Love. Paris offers iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral. Please like and subscribe. As the camera pans to the towering structure piercing the Parisian skyline, our journey takes us to the Eiffel Tower. Erected in 1889, this architectural marvel is often referred to as the Iron Lady, standing tall at over 1,000 feet. The Eiffel Tower, initially criticized for its design, is now a beloved symbol of France, attracting millions of visitors from around the globe each year. As we ascend the tower, the city's panoramic view unfolds beneath us. But the Eiffel Tower isn't just a sightseeing spot, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the progressive spirit of Paris. It's a beacon that has witnessed world wars, celebrations, and the evolution of the city. From its intricate iron latticework to the sparkling lights that make it come alive every night, the Eiffel Tower serves as a constant reminder of Paris's enduring charm and the timeless allure of this city of love. Stay tuned as we explore more about this iconic landmark in the heart of Paris. As we descend from the heights of the Eiffel Tower, our next stop is at the heart of the city, where culture, history, and art converge in a monumental palace, the Louvre Museum. Once a royal fortress, the Louvre today stands as a symbol of France's rich cultural heritage. As we step inside this grand museum, we're immediately greeted by a collection that spans over 9,000 years, from ancient civilizations to the 21st century. Here, every corner whispers stories of the past, every artifact a silent testament to the passage of time. As the camera glides through the grand corridors, our eyes are drawn to the iconic Mona Lisa, her enigmatic smile captivating visitors from around the world. We marvel at the ancient Greek statue Venus de Milo, standing tall despite the passage of centuries. But the Louvre is more than just a museum. It's a celebration of human creativity and a testament to our shared history. As we journey deeper into the museum, we discover countless treasures that remind us of our collective past and the timeless beauty of art. Stay with us as we continue to uncover the cultural richness that makes Paris a city like no other. As we leave the artistic haven of the Louvre, our journey takes us to the heart of Paris, where spirituality and architecture amalgamate in perfect harmony, the Notre Dame Cathedral. This masterpiece of French Gothic architecture stands proudly on the Île de la Cité, an island in the Seine River, beckoning us to explore its intricate beauty. As we approach, the camera captures the cathedral's magnificent facade, adorned with its famous gargoyles and stunning rose windows, radiating a kaleidoscope of colors as the sunlight filters through. The voiceover explains, "The Notre Dame Cathedral, a symbol of Paris, is not just a monument, it's a living testament to the city's history and its resilience." As we step inside, we're enveloped by a profound sense of serenity, the lofty arches and the ethereal light creating an atmosphere of awe and reverence. We take a moment to appreciate the grandeur of the nave, the silence punctuated only by the soft echoes of our footsteps. The camera then pans up to the cathedral's vaulted ceiling, a testament to the ingenuity and vision of its creators. Join us as we continue to explore the timeless splendors of Paris, a city that never ceases to amaze. As we step out of the hallowed interiors of Notre Dame Cathedral, we find ourselves on the banks of the Seine River. The river, a flowing ribbon of serenity, cuts through the heart of Paris, bearing silent witness to centuries of the city's evolution. Our journey now takes a different turn as we embark on a virtual boat ride, the camera capturing the gentle ripples of the water reflecting the city's stunning skyline. The voiceover chimes in, "The Seine River, the lifeblood of Paris, has been a source of inspiration for many artists, poets, and musicians. It's not just a river, it's a storyteller whispering tales of the city's past and present." As our boat glides along, we pass under beautifully adorned bridges, each with their own story to tell. The camera pans to show the cityscape from the river's perspective, offering a unique view of Parisian life. We see artists sketching on the riverbanks, lovers strolling hand in hand, and locals going about their day. As we watch the city pass by, we're reminded of the magic that is Paris, a city where history, culture, and beauty intertwine in a dance that has been going on for centuries. Join us as we continue to unveil the many layers of this enchanting city. Our journey continues as we step off our virtual boat and onto the Grand Champs-Élysées. Known as the world's most beautiful avenue, the Champs-Élysées is a bustling hub of activity, a microcosm of Parisian life. The voiceover chimes in, "Welcome to the Champs-Élysées, an avenue that embodies the spirit of Paris. More than just a street, it's a symbol of the city's charm and elegance." As we start our stroll, the camera captures the avenue's iconic sights: the high-end boutiques, the bustling cafes, the street performers, and the endless sea of locals and tourists alike. The camera pans to show the Arc de Triomphe standing majestically at one end of the avenue, a silent sentinel watching over the city's hustle and bustle. The voiceover continues. "The Champs-Élysées, stretching for nearly 2 kilometers, is a testament to the city's vibrant energy and timeless elegance. Whether you're here for the shopping, the food, the history, or simply to soak in the atmosphere, this avenue never disappoints." As we continue our stroll, we are reminded of the city's enduring allure. Join us as we delve deeper into the heart of Paris, a city that continues to captivate and inspire. As we leave the grandeur of the Champs-Élysées behind, we find ourselves in a completely different world. Montmartre, a neighborhood steeped in history and bursting with artistic energy, welcomes us with open arms. The voiceover sets the scene. "Welcome to Montmartre, a hilltop neighborhood that was once the haunt of artists like Picasso and Van Gogh. Today it continues to be a haven for artists and a hotspot for bohemian culture." We start our exploration at the base of the hill, camera capturing the quaint cobblestone streets, the pastel-colored buildings, and the bustling cafes filled with locals. As we ascend, the camera pans across the city, offering a breathtaking view of the Parisian skyline. At the summit, we find the majestic Sacré-Cœur Basilica, its white domes glowing under the Parisian sun. The voiceover continues, "The Sacré-Cœur Basilica, a symbol of hope and redemption, offers one of the best panoramic views of the city. Its steps are a popular spot for locals and tourists alike to sit, relax, and soak in the city's beauty." As we descend, we find ourselves in the heart of Montmartre's artistic scene, the Place de Tertre. The camera captures the square filled with artists, their easels set up, capturing the essence of Paris in their unique styles. The voiceover concludes, "Montmartre, with its bohemian spirit and artistic legacy, truly encapsulates the soul of Paris. From its historic buildings to its vibrant art scene, this neighborhood is a testament to the city's enduring charm and creative spirit." Join us next as we continue our journey through the enchanting city of Paris. As we leave the artistic enclave of Montmartre, we transition into a different kind of artistry, the culinary excellence of French cuisine. The voiceover sets the scene. "Welcome to a gastronomic adventure in Paris, a city world-renowned for its culinary prowess. From the humble croissant to the adventurous escargot, every dish tells a story." The camera pans over a bustling boulangerie, capturing the golden, flaky croissants fresh out of the oven. The voiceover continues, "The croissant, a Parisian breakfast staple, is a testament to the city's love for simple yet delicious food. Its crisp exterior and soft, buttery interior make it a favorite among locals and tourists alike." Next, we move to a traditional French restaurant, the camera focusing on a plate of escargot. The voiceover explains, "Escargot, or snails, might seem like an unusual choice, but in Paris, it's a delicacy. Cooked in garlic, parsley, and butter, it's a dish that truly represents the adventurous spirit of French cuisine." As we continue our culinary journey, we explore other iconic dishes: the savory ratatouille, the creamy crème brûlée, and the decadent tarte tatin. The voiceover concludes, "French cuisine, with its rich flavors and creative presentation, is a feast for the senses. Whether you're a fan of sweet treats or savory delights, Paris has something to satisfy every palate." Join us next as we continue our exploration of this vibrant and captivating city. As we draw our journey to a close, the voiceover sets the scene. We've explored the architectural marvels, the artistic treasures, the historic avenues, the bohemian streets, the breathtaking river views, and the culinary delights of this incredible city. But Paris, the city of love, the city of lights, is so much more. The camera pans over the cityscape at dusk, capturing the twinkling lights and the silhouettes of the iconic landmarks. The voiceover continues. "Every corner of Paris has a story to tell, a secret to reveal, a memory to create. From the moment you step foot in this city, you're on a journey of endless discoveries." The camera then transitions to a montage of everyday Parisian life. People sipping coffee in a cafe, artists painting in the streets of Montmartre, a couple sharing a romantic moment by the Seine. The voiceover concludes, "Paris is not just a city, it's an experience. An experience that captivates, enchants, and stays with you long after you've left. So pack your bags, bring an open heart and an adventurous spirit, and come, fall in love with Paris. The screen fades to black, leaving viewers with a longing to explore the city for themselves.